Everyone, it's Mr. J. Hi guys, here I am. Today is Thursday, June the 20th, 2024, and if you look at the AI picture, it's bad, B for bad. The AI picture shows a lot of hot Koreans, right? I asked for melting ice cream. I don't see any melting ice cream. If it's this hot, I don't think the ice cream would be like this. That looks a bit strange, but you know. Anyways, let's get into it. In many parts of Korea, Wednesday was the hottest day in June since records began. So it's hot, hotter than it's ever been since records were made in June in Korea. By 3 p.m., the heat had broken several temperature records across South Korea. In Seoul, it reached 35.6 Celsius, the highest June temperature since 1958. Gyeongju saw 37.7, the highest since 2010. Gwangju recorded 37.2, the highest since 1939. Daejeon hit the 36.1, breaking a record from 2002. Heat wave warnings were issued in 92 regions. Goyang reached 37 degrees, Daegu at 36, and Gangneung had its third tropical night. Tropical night, which means that at nighttime the temperatures stay above 25, which is, well, hot and uncomfortable. The KMA predicts a hotter summer than usual with more rain. Monsoon season is expected to start Wednesday evening, that was yesterday, bringing heavy rainfall to Jeju Island until Friday. Some areas might see up to 200 millimeters of rain. Wow. So, some difficult words for you to look at. What is the highest June temperature recorded in Seoul? Which city saw the highest temperature since 2010? What temperature did Gwangju record? When does the KMA predict the monsoon season will start? And how much rain is expected in some areas of Jeju Island? Rain, heat, not good things, not good things. So it's definitely bad. Anyways, today's word pale, to become or seem less important or impressive. We're using it as a verb. Here's the meaning. It's just like the spelling, ale. Can you hear that alarm? The firemen are testing the alarms. If you hear an alarm all of a sudden, don't get upset. All right, they're testing the alarms in the building today. Sorry, ale, pale. And you could ignore the stress because there's just one syllable. So let's look at this. Her achievements pale in comparison to his. The new game makes the old one pale. And the excitement of the trip pales next to the joy of being home. Pale. If you can't make your own pale sentence, then make sure you memorize one of these. All right, today's weather. Oh no, I jumped out of the weather. I'm going to have to go back in here. Today's weather, well, obviously it's not cold, right? But I think it's a bit cooler today than it was yesterday. And that's because it's partly rainy today, and then tomorrow it's going to be cloudy. Partly rainy today, tomorrow it's cloudy. Today and tomorrow both have a high of 27. Today is a high of 20 and tomorrow is a high of 21. So it's a bit cooler, I think, especially at night, which is nice, because you want to sleep well. All right, so we talked about the weather, rain, we talked about the news, which is it's hot, and we talked about pale. I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.